Let's learn how to create AI-generated images. If you want to know how to create AI-generated image, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. To create AI-generated images, first, log in to the Midjourney website and have a Discord account. After that, in the Discord channel, start creating prompts in any newbies rooms. Now, to prompt an image, just type /image and write your prompt. After that, it will generate an image of your prompt. You can also try different prompts and it will create images accordingly. Further, you can also create a film background with Midjourney. After each prompt, you will get 4 variations to choose from, and then you can pick the one you like best. Moreover, Midjourney allows you to create realistic images. You can choose any newbies room to create AI-generated images. Furthermore, you can also prompt Midjourney to create an image of a vertically growing wood trunk, and it will generate the desired image for you. If you're not satisfied with the generated image, you can adjust it using the buttons provided below the image. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.